What would you throw at me?
I don't know, I've got flowers. You absolutely... Oh, sorry, I shouldn't.
Did you really just do that? Did you just really?
I ruined it. You just...
Good face there.
That's so cool.
Morning. It's Saturday 21st of March. I'm at the church in Keyworth and I'm just waiting for a mate to turn up, and we're going to go for a bike ride today, maybe about 50k, 30 miles. Probably heading towards the Hill Top Farm near Melton Mowbray, but we might change our minds, see how we go, and hopefully it'll be a nice ride. No, I normally put it on. I'll put it on in a sec. I'm just gonna pull over a sec.
Yeah, this doesn't look very safe.
No. Yeah, don't worry about me, I was freezing. So in this first section, we left the village of Keyworth and headed towards Broughton Hill, then on towards Willoughby on the Wolds, over the A46, and finally onto Grimston. Hi. What are you doing tonight? Anything good? Going to where?
Gym.
The gym?
Yeah.
You start going to it? No way.
Yeah, well, I've only been once. Yeah. It's actually so boring.
Oh, warming up a bit now. Here, alright. Get a little bit warmer. They've got some stocks in this village. Have you been here with me before?
Stocks?
Stocks, yeah. You know, he's put people in to chuck stuff at them back in medieval times. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you have. A couple of years ago. 2-3 years ago, yeah. We're going that way. Do you want to look at the stocks? Oh wow! Yeah, no, yeah, they're real. Obviously, that the main bits I think are later editions. I don't know what that stone's for. Let's look at that. Oh, I can't get off.
Let's do some yoga.
Yeah, I know, definitely. No, they used to put them in, and you get, if you've done something wrong, you put you in and then just lob rotten vegetables at you, stuff like that.
That's alright, they should still do that.
Yeah. There should be one for your head, surely.
I do, it feels like there should be.
What would you throw at me?
I don't know, I've got flowers. You absolute arsehole. Oh, sorry, I shouldn't.
Did you really just do that? Did you just really?
I ruined it.
You just call me an arsehole.
You have to bleep it. I knew you'd have to bleep something.
Oh my god.
You're stuck now.
Hey, you're not missing. Oh, they definitely do need some yoga.
Yeah, you should change the name.
Right, Sacks will be next, I think. Sacks will be.
Oh,
yeah.
Right.
Yeah, next village. Have you had brekkie this morning?
No, I don't normally eat breakfast.
Yeah, I've had some cereal, but I'll lay off the bacon sarnie so I can go to the cafe and have one. Oh, look at that church.
I've had bacon and eggs.
Ah.
Oh, so good.
Yeah. Up car.
Acre.
Yeah, it's like the stone buildings around here are beautiful, aren't they? You know the stone that they make it out of. I think there's a lot of ironstone hit round here. They used to, they used to mine it. So where they make that's ironstone, I don't know. Go walking down there. That's lovely down there. Yeah. No, not really. No. It's Old Dolby. Up, car down. Sorry. Once you leave Grimston, it's probably another 5 kilometres to the Hill Top Café via Asford Bay Valley and Asford Bay Hill. Oh, look at these views now. Oh, you alright? Go on. Yeah, morning. Pull over here and have a little look at the scenery. We're going to go down there. There's like a bit of a busy road near Asfordby, but we won't be on it long. Kind of heading towards Mountain, then we'll go back up the hill up here, and there's a Hill Top Café tucked away. Cracking view though. And if you carry on over there somewhere, it's Broughton Hill Fort. You remember that one I was talking to you about? It's a bit of a busy road. It's a bit of a, what is it, the A6006 to Melton. Yeah, but we're not on here too long, so don't worry about it. There is the actual Alpine Cafe. Have you been to that one before? Like a skiing one? Oh yeah, yeah, with the cakes and that, yeah.
Oh my god, the cakes are massive, aren't they?
Yeah. Yeah, there's a bit of a hill and then it's off to the left somewhere. Oh, some decent tarmac. You can tell we're in Leicestershire. Somebody's squeaking. I don't know, could be my knees. It's just left here and then right, that's it. Actually, that seems to have gone quite quickly, doesn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I think we've been going quite chill pace really, haven't we? Yeah, left here. Hill Top Farm on the hill, does what it says on the tin, eh? See what animals they've got in. Well, yeah, I think there is. We'll see. Yeah, there's some animals there. Look. We've got you on super wide angle lens here, but.
Does that mean I've got a wide face?
No, you're all right. You're okay. Some babbies. Yeah, we're downhill. We're going to go to Ab Kettleby next. Yeah, secret road this. Love it, all the blossom and that, do you? Beautiful. Yes, I like this road. Nice little church on the hill. Yeah, beautiful. I saw loads of red kites last time I came through Ab Kettleby, so we might see some of them, hopefully. Yeah. I think they made a bit of a comeback, there's loads of them. No, just looking at it, just filming it, look at that. Welby Church, St Bartholomew's. Yeah, is that enough lichen for you?
That's the perfect amount of lichen. It's got life on it.
Oh, these are nice, these fields here. Hey, is this some kind of nature reserve or something? Or this might be a nice place to walk.
Yeah, it looks like
Yeah. There's people parked up.
Yeah.
So look, investigate. Or is it not? Or it's not doggies, right, or something like that. We think, hey, this is lovely. Oh, what are they doing? What are they doing in that car? So we can see inside. Don't worry, I've got you to defend me. So look. Oi! Ah, bugger, just hit me head.
You in?
Yeah, I'm in. So look here. Little face there.
That's so cool.
Yeah, come have a look. They've even got rests for the guns and that. Why they put it here, I've absolutely no idea.
Oh my god, it's so cool.
I know.
What the hell?
Yeah, I know.
Oh, this is cool.
You've never been in one before?
No.
There used to be one on the way home from the nightclub in Haywood, near Rochdale. Yeah, how did you know that?
I just knew that. This is exactly what this is for.
Yeah, of course it is. These are the sorts of roads that I love. And Leicestershire and that, and Nottinghamshire, they've got loads of these. Leicestershire's got loads of them. Oh, hare! A hare!
Oh, amazing.
You know what they say? Hare today, gone tomorrow.
Oh, God.
That's a dad joke.
Yeah, that's a bad one.
That's a bad one. They don't get any better than that. It's cracking village, this is. 606, yeah, a bit of a busy one. Yeah, left. So the views over that valley there on the right, Zoe. It's nice, isn't it? Broughton Hill. That's outrageous. Did you do a rude hand gesture then when you went past by any chance? Yeah. You're just increasing my editing time.
Yeah, no, that's fair.
Yeah.
I'm improving your skills.
Oh yeah. Cheers for that. You fancy a buffalo burger? Here, look. Bison, sorry. Seriously, the massive bisons there. Yeah. Yeah, bring them. Yeah, they've got bison. They're bison burgers. We'll get off this busy road in a bit if you want. Look at the views here.
I'm terrible in the crisis.
What's that?
I'm terrible in the crisis, so if you did fall off your bike, I'd be no use to you.
Would you just cover me up and then carry on your way?
What I'd do is I'd just panic more than the person who did.
Oh God. Nottinghamshire. Aye, all right. Turning right here, shall we? Or did you want to go the Wysaw way? You want to go Wysaw way? I'll go this way if you want.
This is a fun ride.
Yeah. Watch that big massive blooming pot. Oh, at least we've circled it with a bit of yellow. Yeah. That'll stop you falling down it. Well, what do you think of that ride, Zoe?
It's amazing.
Oh, try again. So, what do you think of that ride then, Zoe? Was that alright?
It was so good. It's the best ride I've ever been on.
Oh, brilliant. Are you going to go with your real mates next time?
No, you're my real mate.
Oh, brilliant. Thank you. Right, so thank you very much for watching, if you watched it this far. And until next time, see ya. Well, it will look a bit funny if suddenly you disappear. It looks like I've murdered you. This is in the name of art. I'm just going to put my face in this barbed wire. Right. They'll never know we haven't got a camera crew.